Now, as as we seen in the last video, you should, yeah, you can select all your manuscript and uh, choose journal style and click OK, click enter, and you will get this thing. Okay, now this is the reformat. This is before. This is a number of words. This is a number of added words, and this is the changes that have been done. Okay, and as you can see in here, we have now title, abstract, and the abstract now has been reformatted into this format, and introduction, and evidence table, etc. So you can apply and save as manuscript, or you can copy. Now we have this new manuscript, and this is the references that have been used in here. You can download and export as Markdown, as Word, as PDF, and you can write in LaTeX or Word-like or whatever format. Yeah, we support these three formats, and we are going to support many new formats in the future. In here you can use these tools to highlight, to change text color. As you can see, we have changed the color in here, and you can add an image, upload an image from your computer or from the gallery. You can also get a text summary from the chat with evidence. If you have a summary table or something you want to include in your manuscript, you can get it from here. And of course, yeah, you can also add a table like this. Create a table, and everything in here is written primarily in Markdown format. You can hide screen, split screen, can make this full window, or you can close it. Also, you can change this. Now let's go back to the preparation. The preparation have been finished, and we got some relationships, subjects, and some aspects from our analysis. Okay, let's refresh. Click graph and click render. Yeah, now we have rendered everything. If you have a very big database, if you have more studies, if you have included more studies and extracted more studies, you are going to have much more nodes and edges and relationships, and you are going to have sub-busways in here. And in each of the sub-busways, there is a specific mechanism or sub-mechanism your paper speak about. But in our demo, we don't have much data, so we have only one cluster, and it's now named as noise, or detected as noise, because it's not noise. This is a statistical noise, but not a scientific noise. Okay, statistical noise because we are using here clustering model to do clustering, and the clustering model didn't find any separation lines between sub-busways and information, scientific information mentioned here in this data. It is very useful for next step in the interpretation, because when you have large database, you have sub-pathways inside it. You have multiple studies. You have included hundred and thousands of studies. You can have specific clusters, and you can generate a summary from each cluster, and you can, as we will see in a second. But let's go back to the graph section and how to use it. You can click any of these layouts, and in each of the layouts you have nodes, as I said, and you have connections. And in the connection, when you click on a connection, you have this informations. First of all, the summary of the relationship, what is happening, what is the connection between this node and this node. This is a molecule or something in the cell, and this is small molecule inhibitors. Okay, small molecular inhibitors and activators. It's microRNA, and as we can see in here, let's click the edge, and you can see this is the relationship, and this is the confidence of how we are confident about this relationship, and also if there is any specific effect size, p-value, and confidence interval, it will show us here. Also the reference, if this comes from one study, two studies, three studies, you will have all references mentioned, the relationship in which the relationships have been mentioned, and you can click and open this relationship, and you can make sure that everything is okay, or if there is any incorrect thing, you can clear the selection, or you can write on it. When you also in here in the network anatomy, you can edit the connection. Okay, you can edit any details in here. If there is any thing in the metadata, the statistics, in the effect size, p-value, you need to update, you can update in here. Okay. You can also click command if you are using Mac. I'm using Mac now, and I can click command and select multiple nodes, and you can click one node, and you click and you click all the relationship coming or going out from this node, and you can select multiple nodes. Also, you can delete a node or add a new node in your database. Okay. Now let's look at what we got. Uh, if you have multiple okay,